Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Dancy Pants, and today we're bringing you a tutorial on the Kite Shield Knot. Now before we begin, I want you to go down and hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell so that you'll know every time I upload a new video. It helps the channel grow and it lets me know that you enjoy this kind of content. Now for this tie knot, you are going to need a steel ring or a brass ring about 1 inch in diameter. You can get these at the craft section of Walmart or at any craft store. They usually come in packs of 2 and they're very inexpensive. We're going to be weaving this into the knot of the tie. So let's go ahead and take down the knot, take off the vest, and we'll begin.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top of the world.
So we're going to start this knot with the blade of our tie on our right and the tail of our tie on our left. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold the blade in and then back on itself to create that crease, and this helps serve as sort of the waist of the knot. So it's sort of the midpoint of the show, but it helps anchor the knot in place. Now we're going to bring this over the top, behind, and up through the middle and over. Now we're going to bring this over to the left, behind, and around the back. We're going to bring it around the front like that. And I find it just easier to hold it down like that. Then we're going to bring it up and through the top. Now you can let that sit there and it'll be secure while you get your ring. So now that you've got your ring, what we're going to do is fold the tail in half like this. All right, we're going to thread it through the ring like that. Now we can use the ring to kind of help keep that in place by giving a little bit of a pull, a little bit of resistance. We're going to bring this around the back. So we're going to go around the back. We're going to thread it from the front in. Just like that. And we're going to bring this up and over. Now you're going to want to fiddle with this just a little bit to make sure that that stays symmetrical. Like that, because you see it kind of wants to pull just a little bit. Now, to help with that, bring this over to the right-hand side. And what we're going to do is we're going to push this bit up. We're going to push the 2 loops that we've already made up. Just like that. And we're going to thread this from the inside out. So we're going from behind to the front. We're going to bring that through. We're going to bring it down and around the back. And just like we did on the top, we're going to bring it from the front and go to the back. So we're going to babysit the fold, go from the front, just like that, going from the front to the back. We're going to bring that through just like that. So we've got this top piece up here. And then we've got this down there. Now, from here, we can take the tail and we can tuck it into the gap between the first button and the second button, or the collar button and then the first one down, and then clutching the whole knot with finger and thumb, You can go ahead and just tighten that up. And if you're wearing a shirt that's got collar buttons, make sure they are buttoned. Then you can massage this around and get the coverage where you like it. Now, you can do this and have a bicolored tie where the tail and the blade are two separate colors. And that would look really snazzy with this particular design. But we've got these three pieces of the ring winking at you right there, and it's being nestled by the folds of the tail. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the Kite Shield Knot. It's a fun knot for any business or formal occasion when you just need to dress things up a little bit. It's a great conversation starter as well. If you like what you've seen here, leave a comment down below. And if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer them. Leave a thumbs up, share the video if there's somebody that you think would be interested in seeing a knot like this. Thank you very much. Take care.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on